Howdy.
Today we woke up in North Macedonia.
We're staying a little bit outside of the city center, so we have to walk a little bit to the city center, which is nice because we get to see like the residential side. But we're approaching sort of the city center, the more touristy area. I think it's cool being in a country that not a lot of people have visited. It's a restaurant, kitchen, and hotel. So we can stay down in the barge. We can stay down
in the bow of the ship.
In the bow of the ship. Here is the stone bridge, which is their
iconic bridge that everybody goes to see.
There it is, and you can see the fort kind of in the back, the walls up there. They got a big old statue of Alexander the Great.
There's lots of shopping, there's lots of malls.
Yeah, lots of shopping, tons of statues. Like there's a statue everywhere. There, obviously here. There's like three over there, there. And then there's like statues lining all the bridges. That's cool, little arch over there.
Oh, that is cool.
Let's go look at that.
We found a bookstore, which I'm always excited to go into. I don't really know what this is. It's a church, I guess, like a museum.
A museum for Mother Teresa.
If this were to fall on somebody, you would get impaled immediately. We're walking across the bridge.
The stone bridge. Rowan got a latte. It's a hot latte, but they didn't have one of the, I don't know, paper cups. So we're walking to the old bazaar. I'm expecting it to look like the bazaars in Istanbul, but it might not. I think it might be a little bit different, so we'll see.
So we are currently at the Bazaar in Macedonia. Totally different from the Turkish Grand Bazaar. It is so not busy here.
And the nice like cobblestone floors. And
nobody's trying to sell things in your face. It's kind of nice.
It is really nice.
Why her neck look like that?
Bayonets and stuff.
This is the oldest one. Branches, artillery, infantry, armor units. This is a general depot.
Crazy.
Swords? Do you see the swords?
Swords?
Oh. It's like a legit sword. Oh look, maybe there's a back.
Helmets. Oldest passport. We found a cat. Finally. I feel like we're in like an old town.
Like Assassin's Creed.
Yeah.
That's the vibe. An Assassin's Creed vibe.
It feels like we're in Assassin's Creed. And there's all these like side streets that like are not very busy.
Yeah, I think like I was in Montenegro just before here.
We made a friend, by the way. Sorry, we like to make a little
We have a
video.
YouTube channel.
Sorry, what did you
Nice.
say your name was?
Jay. I'm
Jay.
Yeah, we didn't
Yeah, we made Jay
Yeah,
from
that's okay.
Jay from London. So we're gonna get some
London
food together.
lives in Turkey now.
How delicious is that?
This is so good.
Amazing. So we just finished our meal with Jay. Shout out to Jay. He's a really cool guy.
Really nice dude.
Yeah, and so we had 10 kebabs and the tapche grabche, which was so good.
I have never desired beans in my life.
We're
But after
getting it
eating after eating those beans, I just want another bowl. Like they're
Yeah.
so good. If my mom is watching this, she's gonna be shocked. We're heading home now, so we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us today.
We did a lot, but we tried not to see everything because the city's not super big, so we kind of want to leave some stuff for later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.